Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of SMM Lab social media marketing website script. So viewers, this is the social media website marketing website script. Now if you want to buy this script from us, to contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. You can contact us and buy this SMM Lab script from us on a very low price. So viewers, basically by using this script you can create your own social media marketing website within just 5 minutes, and in this video I will guide you completely about this website and how it works. So we will also explore the admin panel of this website, and I will show you how you can completely control this website. So if you are a beginner and you don't have any knowledge about websites, you can easily use this script to create your own website and you can easily control this website. So you don't need any coding knowledge to control this. So first of all, you can look at its amazing home page. You will get this website with 2 different templates, and each and everything is changeable from admin panel within just single click. And if you buy from us, we will provide you complete support. Here you can list about your business from admin panel. You can insert, change images, whatever you want to change. You can change logo, whatever you want to change, you can change these things. And here you can show your strategies, social media marketing strategies. So you can list about your work, your client testimonials, and here you can also insert latest blogs on the website. And this is footer section. You can insert each and everything from admin. Here you can visit these pages separately as well: about us page, FAQ page, services page, and blog and contact page. You can visit them separately. Viewers, here you can go and get started. You can create account on website. Now here we will go to sign in, because we already have an account, so we will directly sign in. But if you don't have an account, you just have to sign up. Fill these details, enter your all the details, and you can easily sign up. And now we already have an account, so I'm not gonna sign up again. So we will just log in with our existing username and password. So viewers, just click on I am not a robot, and when I click on sign in, it will log me into my user panel of this website. So you can see how amazing its user panel is. So let me just zoom it out. So here user can see its total balance, total spend values, transaction, deposit, tickets, pending orders, processing orders, cancel order, refund requests, each and everything user can see over here. Here user can see all its best selling services, Facebook post, likes, followers, Instagram followers. So you can see over here, and user can buy these services from here. So viewers, here you can user can manage all its orders. So user can go to new order and order a new services from here. User can select the category and order a new services by filling these simple details. So here user have to give service, user have to give its link, and user can buy this service from here. And here user can see mass orders, all orders, pending orders, all its processing orders, completed orders. So all order related activity user can see over here. This is diff feed, so user can manage all its diff feed activities from this section. This is a manage deposit section. So from here user can deposit money on this website. So here user have to go to this, and user can see different gateways on the website. So user can use all these gateways in order to deposit money, and there are many other gateways are also available. User can use them. And if you want to create any of your local gateway, EasyPaisa, JazzCash, or Paytm, all these gateways are available. User can use them, and user can recharge money. Here user can see all its deposit history, transaction history. Here is my referral, so user can see all the people who referred in this section, and this is the referral link of user. This is the favorite services, support ticket. User can generate it from here. Here user can manage its profile. User can manage the API from here. So here is API, so all the details are manageable from here, this section, and this logout option. So this is the complete user panel of this website. Now we will log out from here, and now we will go to admin panel of this website, and I will show you how you can control this website. So I will just go to my admin panel. So here you can see this is the admin login page, and demo details are already entered. Now when I click on I am not a robot, and when I log in, it will log me into my admin panel of this website. So viewers, this is the amazing admin panel of this website. So here, first of all, user can see all its active users, ban users, total deposits on the website, orders on the website, and each and everything in the form of graphs user can see over here. And user can see its notification, change admin settings. Viewers, here user can see all its SMM statistics over here in this section. So here admin can manage all the services related to here. Here admin can manage the API service, admin can manage the perfect SMM panel API, and here admin can add new services from this section. So fill these details, category, and admin can easily add a new service by filling these simple details. Here admin can also enable or disable existing services or edit them. This is API providers. So you can get API from this section, and here you can add a new API provider name and API detail from here. Here you can manage the categories of different products, mean that the products that you are selling, services that you are selling. So here you can add a new category and you can make that category Instagram followers, Facebook followers, whatever category you want to make. And here you can manage all the orders on your website. So you can see all the orders of your users over here. You can manage them and you can approve them. So here are all the pending orders. So viewers, now if you have to approve them, you can easily approve them from this section. You can go to details and you can approve or reject the order from here. So here you can approve it, processing, completed, cancel. You can do it from here. So similarly, you can manage all the order related details. Here you can manage all the diff feed details. From manage referral, you can manage the referral activities from this section. So you can set up different levels of referral. From manage user, you can manage all the users on the website. You can edit them. You can see their details. You can add balances to their account. You can subtract balances to their account. So it completely depends on you. Here are payment gateways. So you can see all the automatic payment gateways. All worldwide accepted gateways are available. You can enable them, disable them, and you can just edit them and put your own information and you can use that gateway. If you want to create any local gateway such as EasyPaisa, JazzCash, so those were also available. You can fill these details and you can add local gateway. From pending deposits, you can approve the deposit requests of users. So here you can go to details, you can approve or reject the deposit, and you can view the screenshot from here. So these are all the deposit related activities. Here you can manage the support tickets, and this is a general setting option. So here you can change the name of website, currency of website in which you want to run, symbol of website, time zone, site-based colors from here. From system configuration, you can turn on of different settings of websites such as email verification, notification, mobile verifications, languages, SMS notifications. You can manage the cron jobs. Here are all the social credentials. You can manage them from here and you can put your own details. From logo and favicon, you can change the logo and you can insert your own logo from this section. From extension, you can insert live chats, Facebook comment options, and other captchas, etc. from here. And from language, you can insert language. From SEO manager, you can manage the complete SEO of your website directly from here. So there is a manage template option, so you can also change template of website. So 2 templates are available, so you can use any of the template you want. Just click on it and you can change it. You can manage the pages. From manage sections, basically you can completely edit the home page of website. So you can see all those sections that are on your home page are here. For example, I want to edit the banner section. You just go to banner section and you can edit the complete banner section details from here. Similarly, you can edit all those sections on the website. And here you can manage the maintenance mode. You can turn on of GDPR cookies. You can manage system related activities, customer capture, and report and request options. And viewers, in this video I completely guided you about this SMM Lab latest version script. Now if you want to buy this script from us, to contact us on WhatsApp, the link is in the description. You can contact us and buy this script from us, and we will also provide you complete support. So thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel and be happy.